In Capital Forecast, you must choose whether the system will model your needs using your locations or your buildings. If you select locations, you do not need to add buildings to the account. If you select for the model to use buildings, you are required to set up at least one location. This is because the locations and buildings have a parent-child relationship in Dude Solutions applications. A building must be assigned to a location. Once you have made this selection, you will need to enter a few basic details for each of the locations or buildings that will be tracked in Capital Forecast. Click on the Account Setup tab. Then, depending on the model setting you selected, select either locations or buildings. In this example, we will use locations. However, the information you will need to enter is the same whether you have selected to use locations or buildings. Click on the location name. Enter the date built. The date entered here will be used as the date the systems in the building were installed. Each system's install date can be modified later if needed. Enter the square footage. This value is used to calculate the current replacement value of the location. Select the building type that matches the location in the drop-down list. We recommend you spend time reviewing and customizing the building types to fit your needs before assigning the location a building type. Once you have assigned the location a building type, the CRV will automatically calculate based on the square footage you have entered and the building type's current replacement value per square foot. The CRV represents the cost to replace all systems in this location, or simply the entire location itself. The Facility Condition Index represents the percentage of the CRV that should be replaced. This value is calculated by totaling the cost of all overdue or backlog needs and dividing it by the CRV. This will remain as 0% as long as you do not have any needs in your backlog. Click Save to apply the settings to your location.